All right, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to need to make this dish. We're going to be taking a pork chop like this, and as you can see, there's a bone here in the back, so if you'd like, if you don't mind, you can keep that in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right down here along this edge until we just have nothing but a nice piece of pork. Cut off the fat and the bone, and we'll discard that. We're going to be using 2 fresh herbs. We're going to be using some thyme and marjoram, and we're going to be cutting that up, and that's going to go in for some of the seasoning with our pork. We're also going to be adding some curry powder, and we're going to be adding some heavy cream to that as well. We're going to be needing some bacon. That's going to go with our au gratin, and again, we're going to be using a sweet potato for that. We're going to peel that, and we're going to slice them very thin so it doesn't take that long to cook up. We're going to be sautéing Granny Smith apples and onions. I'm going to use half of this onion in our pork dish and the other half with our sweet potatoes. So we're going to be using 1 apple to go along with our pork and the other apple with our sweet potatoes. We're also going to need some cheese to make it an au gratin, some vegetable oil, some breadcrumbs, that's going to be the crust on our au gratin, some honey, some mustard, some garlic, some flour, and vegetable stock.